In this video I'm going to show you how to pair a Hornby HM7000 sound decoder with an iPad and how to install the first sound file onto it. Make sure you've got the Hornby HM DCC app. You can get this for iOS or for Android. I've got it on my iPad, so the first thing to do is click on the Settings tab at the bottom. If you're starting with a new decoder, click the Link Device button. Press Start Scan and the app will start looking for any decoders which are on a live track. So I've got mine on a decoder tester which is connected to my lock programmer. You might also just have it in a loco that's already on your track as well. You'll probably see that the decoder you want shows up straight away, but you've got to wait until the scan finishes before you can press on it. Once you can press it, it starts pairing and it probably takes about 30 seconds for this to happen. Once it does, it'll ask if you want to import the current locomotive profile. As you're about to change the profile anyway, you might as well press no. If you press yes, it'll put icons on all the buttons for when you're controlling the loco later. It shows you the unique number for the decoder that you're working with. If you want to adjust a different decoder, you can press there and choose the one that you want to work with. I want to add sound to this decoder, so I'll just scroll down to the bottom and press Browse Profiles. They're ordered into different categories like Steam and Diesel, so I just scrolled across the Steam to find the Castle sound file that I was looking for. Once you've found the one that you want, just press on it and it'll ask you if you want to install this to the decoder. Press Install. It'll probably do a few updates before it starts loading, but then it'll start loading the sound profile. It usually takes about 15 minutes. Hopefully you've found this video useful. I want to do a lot more videos like this, so if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and leave a like on the video below, which will help more people find it. Find these decoders and accessories such as stair lives and speakers on the Roads and Rails website.